Engineering Excellence for Water Treatment Chemical Manufacturers, URGS International. Welcome to URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. In today's rapidly evolving industrial landscape, water treatment has become more critical than ever. Industries across sectors are under increasing pressure to meet stringent environmental regulations, improve operational efficiency, and deliver consistent product quality. This is where URGS steps in. We provide specialized engineering management consultancy and technical training services tailored specifically for water treatment chemical manufacturers in India, helping business transform operations, achieve compliance, and scale sustainability. Industry challenges. Water treatment chemical manufacturers face multiple complex challenges: variability in raw material quality, maintaining consistent product performance, increasing environmental regulations, rising operational and energy costs, lack of standardized processes, skill gap in plant operations and quality control. Without the right engineering systems and expertise, these challenges can directly impact profitability, compliance, and market reputation. URGS addresses these challenges with a structured, engineering driven approach. Who we are? URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited is a trusted partner for industrial manufacturers. Our core strength lies in integrating engineering expertise, process optimization, and management consultancy into a single value driven solutions. We do not just advise, we implement, optimize, and transform. Our team brings deep experience in chemical process engineering, manufacturing systems, quality and compliance frameworks, industrial training, and workforce development. Our core services, process and product engineering, we help manufacturers optimize formulations for coagulants, fluctuants, biocides, specialty water treatment chemicals. Our approach includes reaction optimization, process control strategies, performance enhancement, product validation, manufacturing and plant optimization. Efficiency is the backbone of profitability. We focus on batch and continuous process optimization, yield improvement, reduction in process variability, energy and utility optimization. We also implement lean manufacturing practices to reduce waste and improve throughput. Quality and compliance engineering. Quality and compliance are non-negotiable. URGS supports implementation of ISO 9001 quality management systems, ISO 14001 environmental management systems, ISO 45001 occupational health and safety. We also ensure compliance with CPCB and SPCB environmental norms, effluent discharge standards. Our services include QA/QC system development, audit preparation, documentation control, laboratory setup and testing protocols, technical training and workforce development. A strong system needs skilled people. We provide operator training on chemical processes, safety and hazard management training, quality control and testing training, process troubleshooting skills. Our training programs are practical, hands-on, and aligned with real plant conditions. Supply chain and vendor development. Raw material quality directly impacts final product performance. We help with vendor qualification, raw material evaluation, cost optimization strategies, supply chain risk reduction. Installation, commissioning, and life cycle support. From setup to optimization, we support your plant at every stage. Plant installation and commissioning, performance testing and validation, troubleshooting and debottlenecking, maintenance strategy development, continuous improvement programs. Our engineering approach. At URGS, we follow a structured methodology. First, assessment, understanding current operations and gaps. Second, analysis, identifying inefficiencies and risks. Third, design, developing optimized engineering solutions. Fourth, implementation, deploying systems and processes. Fifth, monitoring, ensuring sustained performance. This ensures measurable and sustainable results. Sixth, value we deliver. Our clients experience tangible benefits, improved product consistency, reduced production costs, enhanced compliance and audit readiness, increased plant efficiency, reduced downtime and failures, skilled and trained workforce. Most importantly, we help businesses build scalable and future-ready operations. Why choose URGS International? Industry-specific expertise, end-to-end engineering solutions, strong focus on implementation, alignment with global standards, customized solutions for each client. We do not believe in one size fits all. We deliver tailored engineering excellence. If you are a water treatment chemical manufacturer in India looking to improve efficiency, ensure compliance, and scale your operations, URGS is your engineering partner. Get in touch with us today. Email us info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. Let us build smarter, safer, and more efficient manufacturing systems together. Thank you. Please like and subscribe our channel.